Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you a little more about the blank project which appears in front of you. So when you click on blank project, this is the screen which appears in front of you. On this screen, if you move to the top left, this area which is boxed in red, it's called quick access toolbar. Now, what's a quick access toolbar? It's a customizable area of the interface where you can add your favorite or frequently used command. For an example, if I click on, um, let's say, email, then this email button will be added here. And for an example, your project is complete. The moment I click on email, this project will be added as an attachment to your email. And you can just type the email address to which you want to send it. All right. The one below it, this box, these are the tabs of Microsoft. You must have seen these in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and all the other tools of Microsoft. So we will be getting into the details of these tabs, that what's inside it, as and when we will be creating project tasks or different projects. Right next to this box is a tell me box. Now, use this tell me box to quickly find a project command or help about that command or feature, right? So whatever you are going to ask a Microsoft project, it will certainly going to help you in the best possible manner. The big ribbon just below these two boxes, that's called ribbon. So this ribbon has got many options. So I'll just say that the ribbon contains the commands you use to perform actions in a project. There are tabs inside a ribbon. So tabs on the ribbon organize the major features and commands in project into logical groups. For an example, if we see the view tab, this is called Gantt chart. But if you click on this option, you can get many options here. You can select a Gantt chart, you can get a network diagram, you can select a resource sheet, and more such options. If you go to clipboard tab, there are copy, paste, and such options, and something like that. If you go to font, you can select the font type, you can select the size of the font, you can bold it out. So there are tabs, and inside those tabs there will be many and many options. All right, and there is this is my main screen where I'm going to add my tasks. For example, if I want to add project initiation, I'll just type in here project initiation, and I'll just click on it. By default, it is going to select one day, and it will automatically populate the start and finish date. It is automatically populating the start and finish date because we have selected auto schedule from the status bar. If we will select manually scheduled, then the start and finish date will not be selected. But I recommend that you always select auto schedule because uh, every project uh, does require, I mean, you have to have, you should put all the dates manually so that you don't have to calculate, because if you are going to put dates manually, then you can make mistakes, right? So if I select 5 days here, by clicking on it, if I select 5 days, it's going to calculate automatically, and automatically the Gantt chart is getting populated. It has colored 5 days automatically, so that's happening automatically. I'll just show you how to add manual tasks, but that's not the requirement at this moment. That's the status bar as I explained. If we move to the right, these are different views. So I can move to a task usage, I can move to a team planner, I can move to resource sheet, and all that. So I'll explain you these different views, but at this moment I was only showing you this complete view, that what's inside this view and how can we utilize it. That's all in this lecture. We will create activities in our next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.